and welcome back to another video. If you do not know who I am, my name is Paloma. My artist name is Paloma the Peach, and I make art for a living and I share it on the internet as part of that living. And for today's video, I have a little bit of a vlog slash my experience organizing my first ever event, which was an art market. I organized the event in Dallas because I am based in Texas. I'm based in Houston, Texas, but I have a couple of friends that run a really cute store. They're also artists themselves, and one of them has actually also put a lot of events together, and we decided to do an event all of us together, and it was really fun. I designed a bunch of stuff. That was like my main job, was like organizing the vendors and picking them out. And because I had already done events in Dallas, I tried to invite mostly local artists and a few that I knew in other parts of Texas. Like I said, I also designed a bunch of stuff. I designed a little stamp rally card. I designed some print prizes. I designed and made some buttons myself. You guys will see that prep work. Did a bunch of little extra doodles. There's a lot of design work that goes into organizing events, which I didn't expect, but it was a lot of fun, and it was also really nice to work on something this collaborative for the first time in a while. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the little vlog portion. I do have like a little bit of some thoughts and stuff sprinkled throughout the vlog portion, but if you guys have any questions, stuff like that, you can comment them and I do my best to respond. But enjoy the video. After we checked into our Airbnb, we headed out to Lucky Bunny and started getting set up with my table. I wanted to make sure to get fully set up the night before so that the morning of the event I would have time to help anybody out with whatever they needed. Honestly, Annie and Uni, the two people that run Lucky Bunny, they just helped me out so much, because I think getting a venue and getting tables and chairs is like one of the biggest hurdles in my opinion with like event planning. So the fact that I was able to use their space was really handy. They actually do offer this little rental space for events and art markets, pop-ups, all that fun stuff for a fee, of course. So yeah, very grateful that I was able to book with Lucky Bunny. If you are looking to plan your own event, I think I would look into cafes in your area. You can also look into breweries and also little bookstores or little niche stores that you feel like match your event's theme. But that's me with my stomach on the other. That's very much in. Put it back up on the mic. On the day of the actual event, we had a little bit of some last minute setup. I was actually asking my friend to stamp my logo on these little bags, which are the ones that I use the most when it comes to art markets, and that's actually something that I did not make a good habit of. I did not put my name or my logo on enough stuff or in enough places, and I feel like that's very important so that people remember where they got their items from and how to look you up. Yes, please. 27.62 with tax. There you go. And I can stamp your card. Awesome. Thank you. I guess you guys will be in the video instead. Sorry. This is like so creepy. I'm just like, is this okay? Yeah, okay. Is it okay? Yeah, okay, cool. I just got back from Dallas from doing my little event and I am very tired. It's like a 4-hour drive, and I'm also just like, events are always really exhausting because you're just like, you're having so much fun, you're socializing so much, you're like shopping around, you're making money, so it's like a really high. So whenever you come home, it's always like you just want to cuddle up and just like rot in bed. So that's what I'm feeling right now. Yeah, thank you so much if you made it out there. I really appreciate it. I was very nervous for this event, my first ever one. Just really wanted all the vendors to have a nice time and to make money and all of that. So a huge thank you if you were able to make it out, or if you promoted, or whatever. If you're here watching this video, I really appreciate you, and I will see you guys in the next one. So before closing out today's video, I wanted to thank our sponsor, which is of course Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and it is the platform that I have always used to run my website, my online art business, and my portfolio. They have also always been longtime supporters of this channel. We love them here, but they have some really cool, easy to use tools that help me with my art business. They got the commerce tool that keeps track of orders, inventory, customer data, all that fun stuff. And then recently I did do a little bit of a makeover on my website with their new Fluid engine, which basically just means it's never been easier, faster, and more customizable when it comes to getting your dream website. So if you are interested in Squarespace, you can go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.